Hi, everyone. Welcome to this week's episode of Tuesday Tips with Tabitha. I hope that everyone is doing well. Today, what we're going to talk about is this automation that you see here. It's a free trial automation workflow. It allows you to really take an opportunity to send a series of emails to individuals who have signed up for a free trial within your account. So let's go ahead. You can see that I searched it up here. You'll find it as soon as you start to type in trial. It is a recipe. I'll show you a page where you can get a lot more information on it here more towards the end. So let's go ahead and dive right in. As you know from our automation recipes, we're going to go through the wizard. The wizard is going to allow us to just say who emails are from, to select the start trigger list in which we want to have people enter into the automation. Now, this automation is triggered by individuals subscribing to a list. So you can see here, we need to go through the wizard to really just select the list in which we want people to be subscribed to. So we're going to say our newsletter list, but typically you would have a list that is created specifically for trial contacts. So as soon as somebody fills out your form to sign up for a free trial, they're going to enter into this automation. You'll see that there's 2 emails that go out within a series of 4 days. They're welcoming you. They're giving you first tips on getting started, really just allowing you to get comfortable. Now, if an individual has chosen to use advanced features within your platform, you can see here that they have a tag. Now, this doesn't need to be something that's focused specifically around advanced features. It can really highlight anything that is important for you for determining different tiers or plans that customers might work off of. If you have different memberships, say you're a gym or a yoga studio, you can absolutely use this as well. Now, this is going to say, are they interested in those higher plan tiers or higher memberships? And if no, that's okay, but we want to let them know what they are. We want to introduce them to those concepts. If they are, we're going to send different series of emails to these contacts to say, hey, here are some people that, really love us. We have some success stories we want to show you. Here's the blog that we're working out of. Here's all of our communities, like our Facebook page that ActiveCampaign has. Maybe you want to introduce them to those different types of things that you offer. We're going to continue to put them through this path that really allows you to introduce them to all aspects of your business, of whatever it is that you're offering. And on the last day, we're going to let you know, hey, it's your last day of your trial. If they actually get the customer, if they actually make the purchase, then we want to give them a tag or we want to reassign them to a different list. If they don't, we want to let ourselves know within the platform, within any of the tagging systems that we've created, that they have had a trial previously and it has since expired. So there's a lot of different room in this automation for you to get really creative on different things that you're putting in front of your prospects, your leads, your potential members. And this is a really great automation that will allow you to really have those ideas and guide you in those emails. I will include the link to the actual page for the marketplace recipe. It tells you more about this automation, kind of like we just did walk through in the tips, and it allows you to import it straight into your account. So if you're using this automation already, let us know in the comments. If you have different types of trial series in which you put your contacts through, let us know. We're always interested to hear how you guys are getting creative within the account. Otherwise, we will see you next week, and thanks for joining us today.